Good morning and welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday, the 17th of December at 10 past 9 Central European time. 12 minutes past Central European time. So it is 12 minutes past 8 in the UK. We're coming up to the 4 hour print at about 9 o'clock for me over here. Um, and where are we at? Yeah, we're just looking a bit toppy. It's pushing and pushing, but it's looking toppy. Anyway, guys, if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe so you can get the notifications when we do our videos every morning. Um, what we're going to do now, we'll run through the total market cap, see what generally the market should be doing. Then we can go and focus on which coins should outperform for the day or underperform if you're a shorter. But yeah, let's have a look at the total market cap. So once again, the monthly is still a buy. The weekly printed a sell last week, so we printed a sell and we're pushing higher. So this could be where we end up with some divergence before a stronger pullback. Currently at around 3.6 trillion on the market cap. Um, Yeah, so weekly is a sell, but it's not actually rolling over so much right now, so it might end up being bought up and then pushed higher. I do know Michael Saylor seems to be buying more and more Bitcoin, even though the price keeps going up. Legend. And then yeah, this was quite a nice grind over here. We've just had this pullback here, so we've still got some kind of relative strength in here on the weekly. Dropping down to the daily. So on the daily, we have the daily, 1 day, 2 day, and 3 day relative price, the Masters of Trading relative price indicator. And we're starting to find a bit of divergence across the board there, aren't we? So what we can end up with here is a lot of people are expecting the short move to come, and they'll keep trying to push, and this is why price keeps grinding higher because the liquidity is on the top side. So total market cap is trying to get above the high here of like 3.67. Looking down at the 4 hour, yeah, we're rolling into a sell there on the 4 hour, but we are going sideways. It is what, Tuesday, isn't it? So yeah, so there's quite a bit for me. There's quite a bit of indecision here in the market. I mean, the 1 hour, everything's still bullish. The daily, 8 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, they're all still bullish at the moment. And until we see probably this 1 hour make another push onto the low side, and we might see a drop down to the bottom of the bands. Um, what else? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, so relative price, where's the strength? The last days we've been looking at AVE and Link. They are both turning into quite a strong sell now, with Link rolling over and underperforming. So what we could have here is if the market does go up, they just won't go up as fast because they've already made quite a big move. On the daily, we've got the daily. It's mixed, really, isn't it? The total market cap's still trying to go for it. Some of the other alts are like a sell. And we have the weekly over here. You know, we're solidly under that with the daily at the moment. Um, Bitcoin is pushing and outperforming most. Ethereum's trying to do the same. Looks like it'll underperform against XRP. So XRP looks like it's going to overperform, or not overperform, or outperform, should we say? Let's run through it. Bitcoin outperform, Ethereum outperform, Litecoin underperform, BNB underperform, XRP outperform. ADA underperform, Neo underperform, VChain underperform, XLM looks like it might start going for it. We're still bearish on this side, so it's got work to do. I can just see there that XRP is on the bullish side, but there's not a huge lot of strength there. But we'll check on the 4 hour in a minute. That might be arriving. So Quant is a sell over here. Band is a sell, an underperform. Link is a sell and underperform, but we could even see another push in that. What I do is sometimes when you see these big pushes and a rollback, like over here, for example, on ADA, you can have another push and price can do some quite interesting things. Solana, mixed bag. AVAX underperform. Near possibly outperform. Comp underperform. Atom underperform. And the same as Link really underperform. And a sell on AVE. But that could just be yeah, that could just be bought and then roll into another buy and have a really good strong move again. Moving to the 4 hour, you can see XRP there is making the move to be the strongest on the 4 hour. Looking really good at there on XRP. So we're mixed on Bitcoin, a bit mixed on Ethereum, Litecoin a bit mixed. BNB mixed, XRP looking really good, ADA mixed, underperform on Link, but this looks like a lower low, doesn't it? So it's just pushing lower, and we could have another one where we see some divergence or even head and shoulders on whip trend, and we could have a push. XLM looking good. VChain looking good on the 4 hour, but it wasn't on the daily, was it? So we need to be careful there how far that'll go before it hits resistance. Neo underperform. Solana looks like it's turning into a buy and then outperform others. AVAX looks like it could be going for it. Near looked good on the daily, didn't it? Yeah, so then that's there. Looking like it could outperform some. Comp and Atom mixed. Kind of mixed, but like Atom itself is yeah, Atom is a sell, Comp is a bit of a sell, but outperform others. And then yeah, Lend just a sell over there and underperform. Moving to the movers, we have Sui, Tau, Comp had that strength there on the daily. Yep, still. The weekly is turning. It printed a sell last week. We are in sell territory over here. But fetch underperform, render underperform. Inge underperform, comp underperform, sorry, Cass underperform, Tau underperform, Sui looking like it could be a bit toppy, but that's where the strength is really, if any strength. I mean, that's not really strong for me, but there is something there. Polyx rolling into an underperform, mixed but underperform. Pepe underperform. Doge looks like it might start turning into an outperform. Underperforming Shiba, underperforming Floki. Moving over to the 4 hours, where do we want to keep attention? So there's potentially Dot might go for it, potentially Doge. Yeah, okay, so let's have a look at Dot. Dot is a sell at the moment. Looks like she could roll. Not a buy yet over there. And who else? Doge is looking still not a buy there. The only one that's officially a buy there, let me just double check that, is Sui. And Sui is a buy on the 4 hour there, coming up to 9 o'clock. Who else? Let's have a look. So fetch, bit mixed. Render, bit mixed. Um, Injected protocol, sell, underperform. So Cass looks good here on the 4 hour. Tau looks like it might try and do something, but Cass looks better. And why is that? That's because it's so far down there, isn't it? So whatever bounce you're going to get could be something nice. Sui's trying, but then yeah, Sui is there. So just need to keep an eye on Sui, I suppose. Polyx mixed, GRT mixed, what's comp mixed, Dot underperform, Pepe mixed, Doge mixed, Shiba and Floki mixed. Yeah, so it's a really tough one to call, guys. Not a lot going on, so let's just double check over here. So where there's that A link XRP, wasn't it? So let's have a look at those. So this is AVE. We identified it around the median yesterday and said like, potential buy, and that was what kind of percent move was that? Around here. Oh no, it's on the magnet. Get off. Okay. Nope. Try again. Um, 5, 6%. Yeah, like a nice 4 to 6% move really there on lens yesterday. Um, Turning into a buy. Yes, monthly looks good. Weekly looks good against most. Daily looks good against most, apart from pulling back now. Yeah, maybe monitoring these two to see if anything happens. Um, let's have a look at Link from yesterday. Link USDT. Um, and then what? Yeah, we've got a sell over here. We've got a buy here. Um, yeah, so sorry. The daily looks good. 4 hour is a sell at the moment. We're waiting for that, and the 1 hour we're also waiting for that. So at the moment we're in a pullback, aren't we? The daily here is rolling over as well. Monthly is a buy, weekly is turning into a sell, daily is a sell. So at the moment we've just got some pullbacks happening. So I think monitor these on the 4 hour, 1 hour with your indicators. Who else? We've got XRP, USDT. So we know that, XRP was looking amazing on some of the higher time frames, and we're still there. So monthly, weekly looking good, daily looking good. We've just started finding this support here, haven't we, on here? And we're going again. On the 4 hour looking good. On the 1 hour we're looking good. Yeah, and this daily's turned into a buy. So, I mean, if we end up with another good push here and hit $3 and see what happens there, with the weekly turning into whatever it's turning into. And then who else? SUI, USDT, over you. Okay, so SUI, mix there, turning into a buy there on the daily, buy there on the 4 hour. And buy there against most stuff apart from XRP. So XRP should outperform today. But we're looking good on Sui, aren't we, for another push? Um, that was like a 400% move from a dollar I was looking at the other day when I bought some the other week. Um, yeah. And then we look like we could be grinding higher on a lot of these alts as well. So the 1 hour and 4 hour, let's keep an eye on those guys. The opportunities are there. Underperform against XRP, underperform against XRP. So Sui looks good, but XRP looks better. So you can split your pot between some of those that are looking like they're going to do really well. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna stop this and release it. Please, yeah, as I said earlier, like and subscribe. Let's try and grow the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in our Discord or in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Trade safe, keep safe. That weekly will have quite an effect, being a sell at the moment. But then this is just where, the whole market can go and do its own thing. Um, and yeah, start really taking out these the bears. So we'll see. Okay, guys, trade safe, keep safe. See you in the next one.